If your website loads slow, looks blurry on new devices, or completely breaks accessibility rules, chances are it's not your CSS. In 2026, browsers are smarter, screens are sharper, and users are less patient than ever. If your images aren't responsive, if your videos don't stream efficiently, if your tables aren't structured properly, you are literally losing users and probably SEO ranking. Today, you'll learn how pros handle images, media, and tables so your site loads faster, ranks higher, and works for everyone, including screen readers and AI crawlers. By the end, you'll build production-ready media and table structures, not tutorial code, real-world code. Let's start with the most abused tag on the internet, the image tag. In 2026, IMG is not just Sarsi and hope for the best. 3 pro things just happened in this code. First, srcset. This lets the browser pick the right image size automatically depending on screen size and resolution. Second, load equals lazy. This is free performance. Your page loads faster, your core web vitals improve, and users don't download images they never scroll to. Third, alt text. This is accessibility, SEO, and now AI indexing. Yes, AI bots and search crawlers actively use alt descriptions to understand your content. If this already saved you from uploading 5 megabytes images, hit subscribe, because later in this course, your UI is going to start looking seriously professional. Quick win recap. You just made images responsive, faster, and accessible. If you want my takeaway summary and copy-paste code snippets, they're in the description, seriously. They'll save you hours of debugging and Googling later. Now let's talk about video and audio. Modern browsers are extremely good at handling native video. You don't need massive JavaScript video players unless you're building Netflix. One pro trick, preload equals metadata. This tells the browser to load only video information first, not the entire file. That means faster page loads and better performance scores. Audio works the same way, simple, clean, and native. Now let's talk about iframes, like YouTube or Google Maps. Always lazy load iframes. Embedded content is heavy, and lazy loading keeps your site fast. Now, one of the most underrated semantic tools, figure and figcaption. This is huge for accessibility and SEO context. Think of figcaption as explaining your media to search engines, screen readers, and future AI systems. If your image contains data, charts, or meaning, wrap it in a figure. Now let's talk tables. Tables are not for layout, haven't been since the early 2000s, but for structured data, they're still unbeatable. Here's the professional way to structure tables. The header section defines your column meaning. The body holds your actual data. The footer holds summaries, totals, or update notes. And then you have power tools, colspan and rowspan, which let you merge cells for real-world data layouts. Most developers don't learn this properly and then struggle later in dashboards and admin panels. Quick dev debate. Do you still optimize images manually, or do you rely on build tools now? Comment below. I actually read these, and I'm curious what most of you are doing in 2026. All right, your challenge. Build a product section that includes a responsive product image using srcset, a product demo video, a comparison table using either rowspan or colspan, and one figure with a figcaption. If you can build that, you're already working at junior to mid developer level. Let's zoom out for a second. You just learned skills most junior developers skip and senior developers have to fix later. Fast websites, accessible media, clean, structured data tables. This is professional web engineering, not just making pages look good. Now lock this into memory. Take the quiz in the description. If you can pass it, you are already ahead of most bootcamp graduates. If this helped you level up, like the video, share it and send it to a developer who still uploads 5 megabytes images to production, and I'll see you in the next episode.